Bitcoin went from being worth nothing to over $60,000. But most people still don't understand what cryptocurrency actually is. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know. Stay until the end, because the last point is the one that makes the biggest difference. Here's where it all begins. Cryptocurrency is digital money that runs on a decentralized network called a blockchain. No bank or government controls it. Transactions are verified by a network of computers and recorded on a public ledger. Here's the next piece of the puzzle. Think of a blockchain as a Google spreadsheet that everyone can see but nobody can edit without the network agreeing. Each block contains a batch of transactions and is linked to the previous block, forming an unbreakable chain. This next one surprises most people. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and remains the largest. Ethereum is the second largest and powers smart contracts and decentralized apps. There are over 10,000 other cryptocurrencies, but most are speculative or worthless. Fourth, and this is really important, crypto can drop 50 to 80% in months. It's unregulated in most countries. Exchanges can get hacked. You can lose access to your wallet permanently. Never invest more than you can afford to lose completely. Last but definitely not least, only allocate 1 to 5% of your portfolio to crypto. Use established exchanges like Coinbase. Stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum for the lowest risk. Use dollar cost averaging instead of lump sum buying. Consider a hardware wallet for large amounts. That's everything you need to know. If this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more financial education every week. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Until next time.